Welcome to the Taiyokan. At 3,090 meters, it's located at the new 7th station, at the halfway point on the Subashiri trail. It takes about 3 hours to reach the Taiyokan from the 5th station. The Subashiri trail is marked as red on the signposts. Check-in time is between 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you have reserved dinner, please make sure to arrive before 5 p.m. When you arrive, the staff will ask the name your reservation is made under, the number of people in your group, your address and passport number. They will then give you a lodging card, which has the number of the order you will be served dinner. If you keep this card with you, you can use the Taiyokan toilet for free on your descent. The staff will then give you a plastic bag so you can store your shoes above your bed and will check your departure time for the next day. After checking in, the staff will take you to the sleeping quarters, also located on the first floor. At the Taiyokan, futon, sheets are all provided. Lights out is at 8 p.m. Toilets are free for guests staying the night and are located on the other side of the bedroom. Please make sure to take used sanitary products home with you. Dinner is served from 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. and is a hamburger patty served with rice and pork soup. You can ask for a free second helping of soup and rice. Vegetarian curry is available to reserve in advance. You can purchase soft drinks, alcohol and cup ramen at the shop located in the main area between the hours of 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. Some hikers purchase a souvenir stick called gongozue, which you can get stamped at some stations. At the Taiyokan, they have a sticker which you can purchase between 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. Breakfast is rice with pickled vegetables, a fried egg and preserved fish. If you are climbing for sunrise, you can pick it up as a packed option the night before, or you can enjoy it at the hut the next day. Most people climb to see the sunrise from the peak, but you can also see a beautiful sunrise from the hut. Just make sure to check out by 10 a.m. It takes about 3 hours to reach the summit from the hut.